Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are on the topic mensuration. In the previous video, we learned how to find the total surface area and volume of a cube and cuboid. In this video, we are going to concentrate on a cone. So we will learn how to find the total surface area, curved surface area, and volume of a cone. Cone. The diagram we see here is an example of a cone with vertex V. So O is called the vertex. So V is called the vertex. O is the center of the circular base. And B is a point on the circumference of the circular base. When you have a cone like this, from V to B represented by L is called the slant height. From V to O represented by H is called the height of the cone. And from O to B, which is a point on the circumference of the circular base, is called the radius of the base. So this is a cone with vertex O, with vertex V, O as the center of the circular base, and B as a point on the circumference of the circular base. VB, represented by L, is called the slant height of the cone. VO is called the height of the cone, and R is called the base of the cone, or the base radius. R is called the base radius of the cone. If you have a cone like this, the angle created at V here, which we are going to call theta, is called the vertical angle. So the total angle created here is called the vertical angle. Half of this angle, half of the vertical angle, which we are representing by alpha in this diagram here, is called the semi-vertical angle. So the semi-vertical angle is half of the vertical angle. If you divide the vertical angle by 2, you will get the semi-vertical angle. In the same way, if you multiply the semi-vertical angle by 2, you will get the vertical angle. Okay. The base of a cone may be closed or open. So this circular base that we have here, it can be either closed or open. If it's closed, the cone is called a closed cone. If it's open, the cone is called a hollow or open cone. So let's learn some formulas relating to cones. We have learned that the circular base of the cone can either be closed or open. If the base of the cone is closed, then the total surface area of the cone is equal to pi r squared plus pi rl, where r is the base radius of the cone and L is the slant height of the cone. So if the base is closed, then the total surface area is given us pi r squared plus pi rl. If the base of the cone is open, that is a hollow cone, then the total surface area is equal to pi rl. So if the base is closed, the total surface area is pi r squared plus pi rl. But if the base is open, then the total surface area is pi rl. So you can see from here that the total surface area, the formula for finding the total surface area, depends on whether the cone is closed or open. If it's closed, it's pi r squared plus pi rl. If it's open, it's pi rl. But the formula for finding the curved surface area and volume does not depend on the condition of the cone. What this means is that whether the base is open or closed, the curved surface area of a cone is pi rl. It doesn't depend on whether the base is open or closed. So the curved surface area of a cone is pi rl. And the volume of the cone does not also depend on the condition of the base. That is, whether the base is open or closed, the volume of the cone is 1 divided by 3 times pi r squared h, where h is the height of the cone and r is the base radius of the cone. You can also see from these formulas that the total surface area of an open cone is the same as the curved surface area of a cone. So if the cone is open or hollow, then the total surface area is the same as the curved surface area. But if the base is closed, the total surface area is pi r squared plus pi rl. These are the formulas that we are going to use to solve questions on cones. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to use these formulas to solve questions on cones. Bye bye.